The best place to start for building out a portfolio, I would say the juiciest low-hanging fruit would be Tableau. So if you don't know, Tableau Public is the free version of Tableau. They've done an amazing job of building out a free public server where you can connect to data, save it to their server, and there you can host all of your visualizations and dashboards. Power BI has done a decent job as well, although they don't have quite as thriving of a community, where you can create the free version of your Power BI dashboard and then post it to their Power Apps. And then I would say GitHub is also a great free resource, but GitHub is a little bit more advanced. So GitHub is geared towards those who have coding knowledge and experience. Business intelligence software, they do three things. So you can connect to multiple data sources, analyze the data, and then visualize it. In both of these platforms, Power BI and Tableau, you can then take it a step further to post it publicly. So you may be even able to send that link to your dashboard to your hiring manager ahead of time. Now, GitHub functions a little bit different. GitHub is a platform where you can post your code, and it's also a community of coders, and there are challenges, and there's also kind of a gamification element where it keeps tally of how active you are on the platform. So on my How to Get an Analytics Job podcast, the advice that I give is that you need to tailor your resume and your portfolio and really everything you're doing geared towards getting a job towards your ideal job posting. And the best way to do that is to reflect on what kind of job do you want. Because jobs are different depending on the size of an organization, what kind of industry, what place within the world that it is. So you need to figure out what the job postings are saying you need to learn. Let's walk through an example. So if you have found your ideal job posting and you notice that the company is using a SQL database and they're using R coding language, that is what you should be focusing your hard skills on. And Power BI and Tableau, unfortunately, are not the right platform. You need to focus on building your portfolio on GitHub instead. I would say those are the best three platforms for you to build out your analytics portfolio.